I'm Max, and today I'm catching a freaking bird that flew into our house. Zooming over there. Mom, what the hell? Mom, it's right there. It's alive. This is a real doozy. Alright, I'm gonna have to. You better say that.
I see it now. Oh! Don't scare him.
Oh!
Oh no!
Yo, I need some goggles for this thing.
Oh,
I don't want to
man.
die. I'm going in. I'm protected now.
Get it
Hey,
out.
this animal control you! Yo. No, I need you to get stuck in the net. Now look at this net that I just found.
When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Oh, let's try something else.
It's in the box. Chicken.
No!
He's out. How'd he get out? No.
Yeah, he flew out through this.
Oh.
Did he?
Did he?
I think so.
Oh, he's right there. He's trapped.
Wait. Fly! No, don't end it yet. Matt.